Hey everyone, welcome. Today we have an exciting day of thrift shopping, well, thrift, vintage, antiques, all. We're going to the outskirts of Milan. We're going northeast to two locations. We'll be going first to Sesto San Giovanni, and the shop is called Mercatino Sesto. Very cute. It's packed full of stuff. It's awesome. And the second location is di Mano in Mano. That is in a town called Cambiago. And di Mano in Mano actually has two locations. One is in Milan, but this one is bigger, and half of it is outside. And the outside stuff is more affordable. Sometimes they have outdoor things as well. You never know until you get there. So let's go. This is exciting. Mercatino Sesto. Down there, they have so many cool things. Let's go.
1, 2, 3 to the groove, come and dance with me. Swing out, jive in. Come on, honey, show me how you move it. Swing out, jive in. 1, 2, 3 to the groove, come and dance with me. Swing out, jive in. The party don't stop till we drop. Come on now, swing out, jive in, yeah. Swing out, jive in. Come on, honey, show me how you move it. Swing out, jive in. 1, 2, 3 to the groove, come and dance with me. Swing out, jive in. The party don't stop till we drop. Come on now, swing out, jive in, yeah. Come on, honey, show me how you move it. Swing out, jive in. Come on, honey, show me how you move it.
Hi everyone. We are here in the suburbs of Milan in an office park. Why? For this place, di Mano in Mano. And there are so many cars going by, I can't avoid it at all. This place has great stuff, especially the good deals are outside. The more precious, pricey things, which are also beautiful, are inside. So let's go.
On the dance floor, feel you close to me, like the harmony. Baby, come and swing with me. To the beat, it's on repeat. I play loud for the crowd, won't you swing with me? Turn it up and feel the heat. Oh, break it down, go to town, won't you swing with me? To the beat, it's on repeat. I groove around to the sound, won't you swing with me? Turn it up and feel the heat. Ooh, baby, baby, won't you come and swing with me?
That was awesome shopping. Both of those places are amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as well. And if you're ever in Milan, in that area, please, you should go. I believe that the metro can take you somewhere near the Sesto location. You don't need a car necessarily, but you definitely need a car to go to Mano in Cambiago. Now, for what did we buy? If you watched our Billy bookcase video, which you should go back and watch it if you haven't seen it, the same saying applies. I know my chickens. We bought 2 books. Exactly 2 books. I should say my husband bought 2 books. They are really good books. One is on modern art and one is on famous sayings in all different languages. And €6 for 2 books. Yeah, I guess it's time for our next Billy bookcase. So thank you for watching so much. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.